Hi everyone, welcome to Inventive Mind. Thank you for joining me. My name is Gayani. I'm an intellectual property and business law attorney. I do trademarks, copyright, patents, trade secrets. I help clients from all over the world who want to work file in US. And I also do business entities, contracts. So those are mostly, I'm in California. I'm licensed in California. For those, I limit my practice mostly to California. Um, this is for informational purposes, as with all my other disclaimers. And I just wanted to put a video out about how I think is the best way to work with the attorney, because I do get clients at different stages who are entrepreneurs. There's some of them are serial entrepreneurs, some of them this is their first time. So, and there's a wide range of questions, wide range of experiences they bring into table. And I think the best way to you want to think about it, and just to kind of break it down with how US firms, mostly the firms I've been at, both couple of firms and public corporations, so I could tell you how they kind of work. And of course there's always uniqueness to some practices, so this is again general kind of give you idea. So one of the things that when attorneys in traditional sense, they will billing structure is usually depend on, they will say hourly billing, but what it means is actually they will do fractional of the hours. So if you call them up and you spend 12 minutes with them, that's 0.2, because every 6 minutes is a 0.1. It's kind of a miserable way to bill. One of the reasons why I don't do that in my practice most of the time, meaning there are some projects I will have to do more hourly, but like patent due diligence. But on the other hand, I do a lot of project rates, flat rates for that purpose, because I don't want a client to come to me and worry about if they're asking me a question or sending me an email that they're going to get billed for that. So it's basically that timing is kind of, I consider that time when I'm considering what the flat fee is. So, but to keep in mind, this is when you go see attorney, when you're talking to attorney, when you're connecting with the attorney or a law firm, you want to get this information up front. You want to see how they're billing. Do they bill for emails? Do they bill for phone calls? Or is that, how do they decide when to bill? When would you know? Now, if I had a client who recently came to me who said their whole budget got blown out by this firm, and but then they came up with a payment plan, but then again but they didn't keep to the terms. So you have to make sure that you're on top of it, because the firms and attorneys, with like any other professions, are busy. So they may not, their billing department may not be communicating with the attorney who's doing the work. So you wanna, if you're worried, I would send them an email and ask them, what is going on with the retainer? Where are we at the billing? Just get an answer for that, because you want to know that instead of staying in fear. When you're connecting and before you hire somebody, you want to see your connection, you want to tell them your expectations and ask them how is the best way to communicate with them, what is the best way to do something if you have a problem. Do they bill for those, like I said, for calls, so emails, and so you want to know the style and you want to be comfortable with the style. So that's one of the things I think is really important, to work with somebody, because attorneys who's helping you with your business is one of your business partners. In that sense, they should be, somebody is like not a business partner in the partnership sense, but is a service partner that helps you kind of get to the goals that you want to get to. So if that's something really value to you, you want to find somebody that connect with you well. The other thing I would say is, if you have an issue come up, because as I have brought other attorneys on this channel and trying to tell everybody that attorneys are kind of like doctors, their specialties, their specialty areas. So you want to know, for the specific issue, there might be attorney that is better suited. Like for instance, I don't do any litigation. I refer those cases out. But I do all transactional, meaning if you want LLC form, I do that. If you need a contract done or negotiated, I work with that. But if you are on a process where you are initiating potential conflict that could lead into a litigation, like sending a cease and desist, I actually don't even go there, because that's just how I set my boundaries. So you want to have that, you want to know what the attorney does. And once you connect with somebody, some attorney, they usually have no other attorneys that are in the field that practice that area. So if you have a question, and if you, instead of like just going to a search engine and just looking up, you may want to reach out to the connection you have and ask if they have somebody, or where is the best resource to find that information. Because you may not get the best information just by putting it onto the web to search. So that's a kind of a overview of what to think about attorneys, how to hire them, how to create a good relationship with someone who's going to be a big part to help you achieve your goals in your business. Hope that helps. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. I know like a lot of people don't like to subscribe, but it does help to get the information out. So that's why I do share. If you feel up to it, please do so. And until next time, bye.